Top 300 Civil Engineering MCQs in Highway Engineering. Part 1. Welcome back to CivTech Simplified. Introduction. This video is brought to you by Engineer Imran Aziz, a seasoned civil engineering professional with over 20 years of hands-on experience in the construction and infrastructure industry. Through his real-world expertise and dedication to knowledge sharing, this platform aims to bridge the gap between academic concepts and practical understanding. CivTech Simplified is a faceless, research-based YouTube channel created to support civil engineering students, fresh graduates, and working professionals. Our mission is to simplify technical subjects and make them accessible to learners across the globe, especially those preparing for competitive exams and technical roles in the field of civil engineering. In this video series on highway engineering, we cover essential definitions, foundational theories, and a set of 300 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, to support exam preparation, job interviews, and university-level assessments. Today's focus is on highway engineering, Part 1, where we'll walk through the first 50 MCQs on core topics. Each question comes with a clearly marked correct answer, making it easier for you to follow along and reinforce your understanding. Let's begin this learning journey together. Highway Engineering. History. A Department of Public Works, now known as Central Public Works Department, was formed to look after the road construction during the period of Lord Dalhousie in 1865, when he was Governor-General of Subcontinent. The construction of GT Road was undertaken by this new department. The road making as a building science was first conceived by French engineer Sully in 1597, using broken stones for construction work. The road foundation for modern highway construction was developed by Road Macadam, 1756 to 1836, and Telford, 1757 to 1834. According to Macadam, the size of stone used on a road must be in due proportion to the space occupied by a wheel of ordinary dimensions on a smooth, level surface. This point of contact will be found to be longitudinally about 25 millimeters, and every piece of stone put into a road which exceeds 25 millimeters in any of its dimensions is mischievous. Classification of road. Classified as urban roads and non-urban or rural roads. A road within a city or town is called an urban road, whereas a road outside the city or town is called non-urban or rural road. The urban roads are further classified as follows: 1 expressways, 2 arterial streets, 3 sub-arterial streets, 4 collector streets. 1. Expressways. The central portion of road for high-speed vehicles is known as expressway or motorway. The expressways are to be provided with divided carriageways, controlled access, grade separations at crossroads, and fencing. The parking, loading, and unloading of the goods are not permitted on the expressways. The pedestrians are also not allowed to cross the expressways. 2. Arterial streets. The city roads, which are meant for thorough traffic, usually on a continuous route, are called arterial streets. There are also divided highways to connect areas within the town and cities with the express highways. 3. Sub-arterial streets. The city roads, which provide lower level of travel mobility than the arterial streets, are called sub-arterial streets. 4. Collector streets. The city roads, which are constructed for collecting and distributing the traffic to and from local streets, are called collector streets. These are located in residential, industrial, and commercial areas. These are connected to sub-arterial streets. There are no parking or loading restrictions. Traffic engineering. The traffic engineering is that branch of engineering which deals with the improvement of traffic operations, design and application of control devices such as pavement markings, traffic markers, signs and traffic signal, etc., and analysis of traffic characteristics. It also deals with the improvement of the existing road and street systems, either by replanning and improving them, or by controlling the use of the existing systems by different types of users. Traffic signals. All electrically operated devices employed for controlling, directing, or warning motorists or pedestrians are known as traffic signals. They serve one or more of the following purposes. First, to provide an orderly movement of traffic. 2. To reduce the frequency of accidents of some special nature. 3. To control speed on the main and secondary highways. Types of signals. The signals are classified as following. 1. Traffic control signals. These signals may be fixed time signals and traffic-actuated signals, full traffic actuated, semi-traffic actuated, and speed control. Second, pedestrian signals. 3. Special traffic signals. These signals are flashing beacons, lane direction traffic signals, and traffic signals at drawbridges. MCQs. Part 1. 1. For transportation purposes in India, the first preference is given to A. Airlines, B. Roads, C. Shipping, D. Railways. Correct option, B. Roads. 2. The term used for major or important roads of a country is A. Country road, B. Urban road, C. Highway, D. None of these. Correct option, C. Highway. 3. A road connecting two towns is called A. Country road, B. Urban road, C. Highway, D. None of these. Correct option, A. Country road. 4. A road within a city or town is called an urban road. A. True, B. False. Correct option, A. True. 5. The portion of a road surface which is used by vehicular traffic is known as A. Carriageway, B. Shoulder, C. Expressway, D. All of these. Correct option, A. Carriageway. 6. The city roads which are meant for through traffic, usually on a continuous route, are known as A. Carriageway, B. Expressway, C. Arterial streets, D. Sub-Arterial streets. Correct option, C. Arterial streets. 7. The central portion of a road for high-speed vehicles is known as A. Motorway, B. Expressway, C. Shoulder, D. Carriageway. Correct option, A. Motorway. 8. Carriageway is protected by wide shoulders. A. 0.5 to 1.25 meters. B. 1.25 to 2 meters. C. 2 to 380 degrees 4 meter. D. 4 முதல் 6 meter. Correct option, B. 1.25 to 2 meters. 9. The importance of roads in a country is comparable to the veins in the human body. A. Agree, B. Disagree. Correct option, A. Agree. 10. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Footpaths are particularly provided in the case of urban roads. B. Footpaths are 15 centimeters to 20 centimeters higher than the road surface. C. Shoulders are generally in level with road surface, having a slope towards the drain side. D. All of the above. Correct option, D. All of the above. 11th. The longest road constructed during the time of Sher Shah Suri was from A. Delhi to Kolkata, Calcutta. B. Lahore to Delhi. C. Lahore to Kolkata, Calcutta. D. Lahore to Agra. Correct option, C. Lahore to Kolkata, Calcutta. 12th. The Grand Trunk GT Road was constructed during A. 1440 to 1445 AD. B. 1540 to 1545 AD. C. 2000 to 2500 BC. D. 2500 to 3000 BC. Correct option B. 1540 to 1545 AD. 13th. Kautilya got constructed a national highway connecting Northwest Frontier Province and Patna in about A. 295 BC, B. 300 BC, C. 310 BC, D. 337 BC. Correct option B. 300 BC. 14. The roads connecting capital cities of states is called A. National Highway, B. Expressway, C. State Highway, D. Capital Highway. Correct option C. State Highway. 15th. A department of public work known as Central Public Works Department was formed to look after the work of road construction during the period of A. Lord William Bentinck, B. Lord Dalhousie, C. Lord Mayo, D. Lord Ripon. Correct option B. Lord Dalhousie. 16. The Central Road Organization, CRO, was set up in A. 1936, 1934, C. 1948, D. 1956. Correct option A. 1930. 17. The Indian Roads Congress, IRC, was set up in A. 1930, B. 1934, C. 1948, D. 936. Correct option B. 1934. 18. The Motor Vehicle Act was enacted in A. 1930, B. 1934, C. 1939, D. 1948. Correct option C. 1939. 19. The Central Road Research Institute, CRRI, was started in Delhi. It's in A. 1951, B. 1955, C. 1964, D. 1965. Correct option A. 1951. 20. The Central Road Research Institute is controlled by GIN, Ministry. A. Shipping and Transport, B. Science and Technology, C. Planning, D. Finance. Correct option A. Shipping and Transport. 21st. The Conference of Chief Engineers of all provinces was held at Nagpur in Yo to look into the problem of road development. A. 1943, B. 1947, C. 1958, D. 1960. Correct option A. 1943. 22. The headquarters of the Indian Roads Congress is at A. Mumbai, Bombay, B. Kolkata, Calcutta, C. Chennai, Madras, D. New Delhi. Correct option D. New Delhi. 23. The Indian Roads and Transport Development Association, IRTDA, was set up in A. 1927, B. 1934, C. 1947, D. 1951. Correct option A. 1927. 24. The headquarters of the Indian Roads and Transport Development Association is at A. Mumbai, Bombay, B. Kolkata, Calcutta, C. Chennai, Madras, D. New Delhi. Correct option A. Mumbai, Bombay. 25. The Border Roads Development Board was established in A. 1934, B. 1948, C. 1951, D. 1960. Correct option D. 1960. 26. In Nagpur Conference, the minimum width of village roads was recommended as A. 2 meters, B. 2.25 meters, C. 2.45 meters, D. 3.2 meters. Correct option C. 2.45 meters. 27. The size of a stone used on a road must be in due proportion to the space occupied by a wheel of ordinary dimensions on a smooth, level surface. This point of contact will be found to be longitudinally about 25 millimeters, and every piece of stone put into a road which exceeds 25 millimeters in any of its dimensions is mischievous. This statement is according to Macadam. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. Correct option, A. Correct. 28. For the water-bound Macadam Road, the recommended camber is A. 1 in 24 to 1 in 30, B. 1 in 30 to 1 in 48, C. 1 in 60 to 1 in 80, D. 1 என்பதில் 2 இருக்கிறது. Correct option, B. 1 in 30 to 1 in 48. 29. According to Telford, A. The size of stone at the center varied from 160 millimeters to 200 millimeters and gradually decreased to 75 millimeters to 125 millimeters towards the haunches. B. The central 6 meters width of the road, way covered with 2 layers of atones, about 100 millimeters and 50 millimeters respectively. C. The size of stone used was of 63 millimeters diameter. D. All of the above. Correct option, D. All of the above. 30. In Telford construction, the side portions were made up of only 1 layer of broken stones and leveled off to give a camber not greater than A. 1I4 and 0, B. 1 in 60, C. 1 in 80, D. 1 in 120. Correct option, B. 1 in 60. 31. According to Indian Roads Congress, the maximum width of a road value is A. 1.85 meters, B. 2.25 meters, C. 2.45 meters, D. 3.2 meters. Correct option, B. 2.25 meters. 32. On the recommendations of the Indian Roads Congress, the national highways should have 2-lane traffic at least, wide with minimum 2 meters wide shoulder on each side. A. 4 meters, B. 6 meters, C. 8 meters, D. 10 meters. Correct option, C. 8 meters. 33. The state highways should have 8 meters wide carriageway with 2 meters wide shoulder on each side. A. Right, B. Wrong. Correct option, A. Right. 34. In order to give satisfactory service throughout the year, the road surface should A. Have a good carriageway, B. Have smooth gradient, C. Have a good wearing surface, D. All of these. Correct option, D. All of these. 35. The top of the ground on which the foundation of road rests is called A. Subgrade, B. Soling, C. Base, D. Wearing layer. Correct option, A. Subgrade. 36. The foundation of a road is also called A. Soling, B. Base, C. Either A or B, D. None of these. Correct option, C. Either A or B. 37. The superstructure of a road is called A. Wearing layer, B. Wearing course, C. Road surfacing, D. Any one of these. Correct option, D. Any one of these. 38. When the bearing capacity of soil is poor and the intensity of traffic S high, an additional layer is provided between the soiling and subgrade. This additional layer is called A. Wearing layer, B. Sub-base, C. Road surfacing, D. All of these. Correct option, B. Sub-base. 39. The strength and durability of a road depends upon its subgrade. A. True, B. False. Correct option, A. True. 40. The thickness of base in no case should be more than A. 10 centimeters, B. 15 centimeters, C. 20 centimeters, D. 30 centimeters. Correct option, D. 30 centimeters. 41. The highest point on road surface is called A. Crown, B. Camber, C. Gradient, D. Berm. Correct option, A. Crown. 42. The function of road base is to transmit load of the traffic from the Asakro to the subgrade. A. Soling, B. Surfacing. Correct option, B. Surfacing. 43. The road surfacing should be A. Impervious, B. Durable, C. Stable, D. All of these. Correct option, D. All of these. 44. The slope of the line joining the crown and edge of the road surface is known as A. Crossfall, B. Cross slope, C. Camber, D. Any one of these. Correct option, D. Any one of these. 45. A camber of 1 in 30 means that for a 30-meter wide road, the crown of the road will be bow, above the edge of the road. A. 0.5 meters, B. 1 meter. Correct option, A. 0.5 meters. 46. The thickness of road surfacing depends upon the A. Type of traffic, B. Intensity of traffic, C. Type of material, D. All of these. Correct option, D. All of these. 47. The main object of providing a camber is A. To make the road surface impervious, B. To make the road surface durable, C. To drain off rainwater from road surface as quickly as possible, D. All of the above. Correct option, C. To drain off rainwater from road surface as quickly as possible. 48. In scanty rainfall areas, the camber provided will be A. Fatter, B. Steeper, C. 0, D. None of these. Correct option, A. Fatter. 49. On Kankar Road, the camber generally provided is A. 1 in 24 to 1 in 30, B. 1 in 30 to 1 in 48, C. 1 in 48 to 1 in 60, D. 1 in 60 to 1 in 80. Correct option, A. 1 in 24 to 1 in 30. 50. The shape of the camber provided for cement concrete pavement is A. Straight line, B. Parabolic, C. Elliptical, D. None of these. Correct option, A. Straight line. Thank you for watching. You've completed the Part 1 of Highway Engineering MCQs series. 300 MCQs would be shared in total, fully solved and exam-focused. Our videos are perfect for PE, FE, PPSC, FPSC, SSC JE, RRB, PPSC, and more. Subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming parts on this topic and other MCQs videos on hydraulics machines, soil mechanics, RCC, and more. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.